Norfolk Southern Railroad vertical lift bridge crosses the Tennessee River in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Now this is Hickson Railroad vertical lift bridge, and it's closed for rail traffic. And when it raises for boat and ship traffic, yeah, so it's raised. Yeah, look at the detailing right there. Yep, and when after the boats and ships pass through, it lowers back to to this original closed position. Now, it's still in use, and it's a double track. And look at this right here. Yeah, so the machineries are both on in both towers, each tower. So separate towers, and so it crosses the Tennessee River. It's called the Norfolk Southern 10 Railroad Bridge. Crosses the Tennessee River in Chattanooga, Tennessee.